One big reason people stop or don't produce content is because they don't know what to say or they can't remember their lines. But what if you have everything written and you just need some help to record a video? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Teleprompter for free using your phone so that it don't stop you from creating content. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you these two apps that I use for Teleprompter. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to show you two places where you can find the Teleprompter. You'll be in Edits and CapCut, so they are both free to use. Edits is an app from Instagram, from Meta, so you can just click on it. So this is the Edits app. So all you need to do is just click on the camera icon at the bottom, right? You can see bottom, the second icon, second from right, okay? And then you can see here, all you need to do is just click on Teleprompter, and then you can put your script here, and once you record, the teleprompter will start moving. So there's one way you can do it, which sometimes I use this as well if I want to edit in Edits, okay? Because there are different templates. Alright, then next, if I want to edit using, for example, CapCut, so I'll just open up CapCut. So CapCut, there's a few ways you can find it. So you can go to All Tools, you can click on Teleprompter, you can see here Recent, or you can see Quick Actions Teleprompter, click on that. You can see here, there's a teleprompter here. When you click play, it will start playing, and then you can just click to edit accordingly, okay? And then there's a few options, there's 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes. If you want one shot continuously, just click on one shot at the bottom, and then you will continuously move, alright? So click X if you don't want. Now, if you want to open the camera app straight away, like you can see now, right, it's the camera app. It is actually at the top right. There's this icon here, which is Teleprompter, right? You can see here, the one below the recycle icon, yeah, that's a teleprompter, alright? So let me just show you again. You open camera, and then you can see a teleprompter. Yeah, there's no wording there just now because I opened directly on teleprompter. So click on that, teleprompter is here again. This is for you if you want to create content and you just don't know what to say, cannot remember the script. Yeah, use teleprompter, it's totally fine. Okay, you just read through and then just record accordingly. So you can see here some of my videos also I use teleprompter. And once you're done with the teleprompter, you got the option to save the video. Just save the video and then you'll be in your phone. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do subscribe to this channel so you get more tips like this. And I see you next time. Goodbye.